Hi guys, welcome to IGBO with Queen TV. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. In this channel, we help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. In case you're new in this channel and this is your first time watching me in this channel, sit and watch. We help beginners learn how to speak Igbo fast. Okay, we're teaching parts of the body, the song of parts of the body. We are not going to be just like learning it, but we are going to be singing the song. Just sit and watch. Parts of the body are head, isi, eyes, anya, nose, imi, mouth, ọnụ, teeth, eze, tongue, ire, lips, ugbere ọnụ, lips, ugbere ọnụ, hand, aka, fingers, mkpịsị aka, elbow,